There's a real urgency in the air at this arena.
Yes, and soon it will all be focused on the ice in this Game 1 of the Western Conference quarterfinal with the Phoenix Coyotes and the Detroit Red Wings. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Amonte gets rubbed off the puck.
He just broke the building code violations.
Phoenix takes possession. Burke hangs on for the whistle. The game waits as the broken glass is replaced. Wilson. Buchberger has the puck. Fote has it now. Savage. Wilson took it. Detroit in control now. Yager. Goes to the backhand. Simpson gets in the way. The ref indicates a delayed call against Phoenix. Simpson gets called for interference.
And this infraction brings his team's penalty minutes to a total of, let's see. They're at 5,163.
What?
All right, so I need a copy.
Detroit has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Solani shoots the puck. Simpson sees his penalty expire and jumps back on the ice. Burke hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to Detroit. Lidstrom blocked. Kolanos gets hold of the puck. Doan. Lemieux fires it. Detroit takes it. Yager. Shoots! Denied by Burke.
1 minute, he's standing in the net minding his own business. The next, blammo!
Kolanos shoots the puck. Detroit with it now. Solani. Detroit gobbles it up. Brewer. Burke hangs on for the whistle.
We need a name for our mascot. The winner of the contest will receive free tickets to an upcoming game, as well as tons of cool merchandise.
Phoenix may have an injured player.
Everyone in this arena is hoping that's not the case, Jim. There he goes down the tunnel. He might be out for the night.
We'll just have to wait and see.
Let's take another look at what happened, Jim.
He cross-checked him very hard right there.
That's a purely emotional reaction. He needs to keep a better hold on those emotions.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Door slammed shut by Burke.
Right back at you. Booyah!
Lidstrom. Shoots the puck from the left. Burke made the glove save.
You can tell he wants the game. Big time.
Burke freezes the puck. Nagy is a dreamy face-off guy.
He was on the cover of Teen Beat's fall issue on centerman.
Nazarov with the puck. Off the post. Brewer takes possession of the puck. Lemieux has it. Robitaille scores!
The goalie will tell you what just flew by him was a bullet, not a butterfly.
Detroit gets the game going with that one.
Good thing, too. I was considering stepping outside for some fresh air.
Nylander scoops up the loose puck. Amonte, it's one-on-one. Shot it hard from the right. Saved by Joseph.
A spider monkey with vertigo could have stopped that shot.
Nylander, Smolinski. Shoots the puck from the right. Phoenix grabs it. Made. Kubak. Nylander. Nieuwendyk had the puck. Phoenix scoops it up. Johnson. Nagy takes possession.
And now, for those of you whose favorite part of the game is the first intermission, let the fun begin.
Perishable food out, and you see what free team posted.
With bated breath, we all anticipate a barn burner of a period here.
Let's gear up for another rousing go of hockey done right. Shanahan with the puck. Shoots quickly. Burke made the save.
There's the kind of old-school tending I love.
Amonte. May. Caberlet gets hold of the puck.
This is the part of the game where you start to understand why none of the uniforms are pink.
Wow, he nailed him there.
After a hit like that, a guy could launch a solo career.
Detroit penalty to number 89.
Shanahan.
Major for fighting. Phoenix penalty to number 23. Paul Merritt. A 5-minute major for
Shanahan. Quick shot. Saved by Burke.
The shooter has got to feel a little let down. Just a little.
He mows over May. Brewer. Yager bumped off the puck.
Hey, he's a professional. He loves taking hits like that. Okay, maybe not.
Amonte takes over.
He put the puck through his legs just to prove a point. What that point was, I'm not sure.
Yager takes possession of the puck. Brewer has it now. Brewer, tremendous save!
And that's why his teammates always let him ride shotgun after the game.
Icing called against Phoenix. Looks like the crowd's getting into the spirit of things. Shoots quickly. May stops the shot. Amonte with the puck. Brewer. Kalanos gives him the business. Solani grabbed the puck. Burke denies him.
Sometimes it all comes down to the man in the net, and this is the twine minder you want.
Lemieux. Doan flattens him. The ref indicates a delayed call. Lemieux had the puck. Phoenix corrals it. Brewer will serve time for cross-checking.
Every player argues a penalty they're given, but deep down they know they deserve it.
Phoenix now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Stoned by Burke.
He saw the puck coming a mile away and planned a little welcome back party.
Amonte. Joseph closed the door.
Look at him. He's like, is that the best you can do?
Detroit killed the penalty and we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. Brewer gets the puck. Lemieux takes it. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Yzerman won the faceoff. Kuba shoots it quickly. He jumps on the loose puck. Kuba with shot. Saved by Burke.
That could have been goal number 1 for him. Instead, just a shot.
It's 1-on-1. Phoenix puts its checking line out. Yzerman gets hold of the puck. Shatan grabs it. Schaefer grabbed it. Yzerman shoots it hard. Burke hangs on for the whistle. Gets the shot off. Saved by Burke.
Try again later, fellows.
It goes wide. Smolinski, wrist shot right on. Kalanos jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux pulls the puck through his legs.
Leaves the defender wondering what just happened. I just know the third period will be chock full of excitement. The intermission? Well, less so.
So far, so good. It's been a fun game to watch.
And we've got the final 20 minutes to enjoy.
May. The Coyotes dump the puck in. Lidstrom takes control. Yager gets it. Shanahan. Shot from the right. Grabbed by Phoenix. Shanahan shoots. Phoenix with it now. Kalanos. Kalanos goes offside and the play is stopped. Doan. Shoots! Joseph makes the save.
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Doan! Joseph denies him. Solani. Lemieux now with the puck. Burke makes the save. Berahowski gets in the way. Karanos gets mowed down.
Lays him out with a mammoth mashing.
Suchi. Kalanos gets the puck. Lemieux. Detroit puts its checking line out. Berahowski fires! Timonen takes control of the puck. The Coyotes come in offside. May. Monty, one-timer. Schaefer picked it up. In all alone. Eiserman blasts it from the left. He scores!
Some shots are like nuggets of gold. They require lots of sweat and hard work, but are worth every ounce of it in the end.
They've added some insurance to their lead.
That goal should ensure victory.
Steve Eiserman, assisted by number 72.
Phoenix beats out the icing call. May got it.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
Yager with the puck. Intercepted by Phoenix. Caberlet. Mera now with it. Phoenix gets a hold of it. Lemieux rips a shot. Blocked. Amonte shoots it. Joseph has been right where his team has needed him tonight, on top of the puck.
In fact, he hasn't allowed a single goal. Can he get a goose egg?
The door is shut by Burke. Doan picks up the puck from Burke. Amonte. Lemieux corrals it. Amonte has it. Mowed down.
Came in fast and delivered a blast.
Lidstrom went short. Mera stops the shot. Amonte. Caberlet takes possession of the puck. Schaefer, delayed penalty coming up for Phoenix. It's one-on-one. Chatan, stone cold by Burke.
You are so on top of the play, Jim. Nice work.
Savage will go to the box for roughing.
Hey, I believe you're innocent. I know you are.
Detroit has got to hope this edge in numbers will pay off.
They'll accept most major credit cards or a goal, whatever's easy.
Phoenix is 2 goals down and is going to pull its goalie.
I endorse their strategy. It'll spice things up.
Shanahan fires it. Empty netter.
That's capitalizing on the power play.
Bookberger. The Coyotes dump the puck in. Brewer. Lemieux. Burke makes the tremendous save.
When in doubt, do what he did.
Savage. Wilson with the puck. Detroit in control now. Solani. Lemieux has it now. Bookberger. Savage grabs it. Wilson grabbed it. He gets laid out.
He aced that hit and made the guy look like a joker.
Lemieux. Robitaille takes the puck. Brewer fires it from the right. Burke stoned him cold. Kolanos, he gets rocked.
He is to big hits what Einstein was to smart guys with weird hair.
Doan! Joseph stoned him.
Sorry, Jim. What were you just prattling on about? Ow!
That ends it. Detroit gave us some great playoff hockey and got the win.
Yeah, I guess you could say they're gone with the wind.
Selection. Tonight's third star for Detroit.